Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, March 1st, 2022. Let's start with the Forex calendar. The main event of the overnight Asian session was a RBA interest rate decision and the monetary policy statement issued at 4:30. As you can see, the interest rate decision was held at the same level of 0.1%. The other important data are PMI manufacturing data from Japan, beats the expectations, 55.4 points versus 52.9, and the PMI manufacturing data from China. Those data had beat the expectations as well, 50.2 versus 49.9. So good data from Japan and from China. Reserve Bank of Australia holds the interest rate intact at 0.1%, and of course during the day we will have a plenty of PMI manufacturing data released from Italy, France, Germany, European Union, UK of course, and the other countries. At 2 o'clock we have a CPI data from Germany. Market expects the increase from 0.4% to 0.8%, and of course later on we got data from the Canada gross domestic product. The market expects a drop from 0.6% to 0%, and then of course the manufacturing PMI from Canada is scheduled for release 3:30. ISM manufacturing data together with the construction spending are scheduled for release at 4 o'clock. Those data are of course from the US, and the market expects an increase from 57.6 to 58 points. So it looks like we will have a very busy day in form of the massive amount of the informations being released during the London and New York session. I think we should start our technical part with the Australian dollar. Daily time frame chart of the Australian dollar shows us the Australian dollar rallying after the RBA interest rate decision. Please remember 0.1%, the interest rate is intact at this level. We got this very nice movement towards the 7,252, then a breakout above the highs from the 23rd of the February. So we already have made a new high at 7,291, and as you can see we are heading towards the key technical resistance at 7,317. This is the level that might change the outlook for the Australian dollar in the short term. Because we might be back inside of this channel. That means of course then market might continue the up move towards the 7,415, which is still the key long-term technical resistance, and very close to this level there is this long-term trend line. So it looks good, it looks bullish for now. The momentum supports the up movement. Right now it's 62 points, so it's strong, it's positive. Bulls have control over the markets on the Australian dollar daily time frame chart. So if the Australian dollar is rallying, what is gold doing? Daily time frame chart of the spot gold market shows us almost no movement this time, because recently we've made almost a $200 rally towards $1,973 per ounce. Big pin bar here shows us the strength of the bearish camp as they push the prices back towards 1,900 zone. This is 1,900 and $1,916 zone. Right now the market is trading just up and down around this zone. The key technical support, let me just put it on the screen, is of course the 1,877 technical support. This is the key technical support for now. If we break below this level, then of course we might going a little bit lower, but it looks like the market is hovering around the old key supply zone. It doesn't want to go down, so we should expect a slow movement higher towards, again, the main target for the gold, which is at the level of $2,000. What is doing the Japanese yen then? The US dollar to Japanese yen daily time frame chart is showing us limited volatility. After the ABC pattern had been completed, we got the period of the market going a little bit lower. The new support was made around the level of 114.43, sorry, and as you can see, then we bounced higher towards 1015.53. So new range had been established. The upper zone of the new range is 115.78. The lower range is 114.43. This is just above the wave B low. So please keep an eye on this development, because if we break to the upside, next target is the high of the wave C, and this is the key technical resistance, 116.38. However, if the downside is violated, then of course we can even test 113.50. Please notice the fact that this momentum is now hovering up and down the level of 50, which is the neutral level. So apparently nor bulls nor bears have the control over the market right now. The market doesn't know what it wants to go for now, and it's bouncing up and down in this range. Alright, so let's take a look at some cryptocurrencies. Let's start with the Bitcoin, of course. What is Bitcoin doing? The Bitcoin is finally rallying towards the level of 44,000 and 45,811. This is the key zone right now for the bulls. We might even go back the ascending channel, as you can see here. Let me just extend this line so we can have the lower channel line as a technical resistance. Of course, this will be treated as a technical resistance. We need to update our levels. As you can see, let's just put this technical support here, 33,290. Let's just change the colors of this zone here, because it will now be the technical support for markets a little bit even higher. This is around the level of $40,000. There is one more support. Let me put it here towards the level of $37,000. All of these levels that were active during the previous rally up are of course critical. 41,933, and there is 43,078. Both of these levels are now technical support. The target is clear. The target is seen at 44,409. So please keep an eye on this level. Any breakout higher is very, very strong bullish signal for Bitcoin. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.